am at SAB stall at EMO 2025. I have this passport with me. They have such amazing innovations at their stall. The first one is about workholding, and they're telling that this is a new PSC workholding which is going to improve maximum productivity on shop floor. So let us see how this innovation is going to revolutionize the market.
This year, for the first time, what we show here is our Kaptur Workholding Solution Range. We developed many solutions to use in our own manufacturing by using all the benefits of Kaptur. So that's self-centering, high torque and bending stiffness, and also repeatability in 2 microns. So therefore, we developed a range of fixtures, for example, 5-axis fixture, 3-axis, and also a fixture for a rotary table, where we utilize all the benefits of quick change. And for customer, we developed such adapters which use, for example, Kaptur C6, ground face, and also a parallel face where the customer can adapt it to a wide range of fixtures.
So this is the innovation, and I'm going to hand over this passport to Dino.
Thank you very much.